What's up? It's your boy, Dirtbag Dan, the Zay baby. We out here in the Counterproductive Studio, and I'm making a special, very important announcement live about my battle on 420 for King of the Dot in Oakland. Dirtbag Dan is back in the town versus 100 Bullets. I'm gonna keep this shit brief because Fatty No Neck didn't. Listen, Karsten Shreve, nobody wants to watch a fucking 4-minute and 30-second video of you being ironic about my pseudo achievements. It just makes you sound like a jealous faggot. Let me say, if I'm going to address anything that you said in that video, one, I never said I was famous for anything but battling. I'm proud to be known as a battle rapper. I'm lucky enough that I got into the game at the right time, and I was able to do a lot with the battling, and I was able to get my music out to a lot of fans. And even opportunities like paid dues, I got because I went out there and I battled for 2 years, and Merce recognized that I was on my hustle and I was pushing my music, and he gave me an opportunity to rock. Shouts out to Merce and Guerrilla Union for that, by the way. But I'm proud to be a battle rapper, dude. Two, I never said I was a fucking paid musician either. I'm not balling by any means, and the Kickstarter is a prime example of that. We've been entirely independent, Counterproductive, my crew, myself, every album we've ever put out, every vinyl, every show we've ever thrown, everything we've ever done, we've done independently. Never had a record label, never had any label support, management, booking agent, none of it. It's the Bay way. It's how we do shit out here. And thank God for battle rap, because we've been able to do a lot with so little. But now, I mean, we're operating on outdated equipment. So go to dirtbagdanshow.com, and if you're watching this before April 8th, donate to the Kickstarter. Get yourself some cool shit. Get a CD, get a signed poster, get a vinyl. There's a bunch of crazy battle memorabilia on there and shit too. So definitely support underground hip hop. I'm an underground artist, not a paid musician, regardless of what fucking Fatty No Neck wants to speak ironic about. So, keeping it short, cutting the chase, you see what I just did there? I just used 100 Bullets to promote my shit. That's that Bay Area pimp game right there. Basically, same thing for the battle. We're gonna fly you out here, first class flight. It ain't nothing to a boss. I got miles, homie. I'm traveling around the world. I'm gonna get you out here, make you feel nice, make you feel pretty. I'm gonna put you in that ring, and then you're gonna get fucked, okay? That's how we do it. And I'm gonna get paid the whole time. Speaking of which, shout out to my sponsors, Micro Vaped Vaporizers, always keeping me vaped. Los Feo Faces, it ain't a game, it's a gang. Also BCO Apparel, I'll be geared up for the battle. And shouts out to my longtime sponsors, Clout Magazine and Breezy Excursion, always holding me down, always keeping me dipped. So, 420, Oakland, Town Business, kingofthedot.com, you can go get pre-sale tickets. Shouts out to King of the Dot for always being a classy organization and giving me an opportunity to continue my undefeated reign at the Battle of the Bays and in Oakland, where I fucking just get busy. And let me just finalize by saying, yes, I am known almost exclusively as a battle rapper. No, I am not balling. I am making a living off this shit, but by no means am I balling. Support the Kickstarter, dirtbagdanshow.com. And yes, you are an 30-something, day-jobbing, fat, necklace, Canadian faggot, and I'm going to kill you. Shout! Ah!